Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica and this video is going to be a simple get ready with me. How I went from this to this. So please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single one of my videos. So I'm going to go in with foundation and I'm going to be using my Estee Lauder Double Wear. So I've tried a lot of different foundations and this is the only one that I genuinely really like. I'll just get my damp beauty blender and I'll just go like this all around. I focus mainly on where I have like a lot of redness, and as you can see, like this cheek is really red and this cheek is not so much. I just bounce this beauty blender and it's damp, so I like it that it's damp because it's going to absorb some product and I don't want to like cake it either. So yeah, this is what it looks like, half my face and not the other half. I didn't grab like foundation and put it right on my nose. The reason why is my nose is like probably my worst feature. Not because that I don't like my nose. I like my nose. Of course, if I could get a nose job, I probably would. But my nose has a lot of pores, so I don't know if it's visible to the camera. Like, it's just, my nose has always been like my problem area. Pores are very prominent. I have like the sebaceous, we all have this. It's the sebaceous filaments. Some people have it more prominent than others, but mine are like, you can see it from the moon. Mine are really like, you can just see it, and that's why I avoid applying foundation to my nose. That way it doesn't make them more obvious. So whatever I have left over, that's what I literally use to cover my nose. And I hope that it looks like it's my correct shape, like hoping I'm not boring you guys. Look at this, you guys. It's massive. I don't get a lot of pimples, so when I do, I'm just like, oh my gosh, what's going on? But look at it. It's like, I'm not gonna lie. Gross. Then I'll go in with my concealer and I'll be using the Kosas concealer in the shade 06, I believe. Yeah, just get it and put it here. Same thing on the other side, put it here. Mainly on that side, and my beauty blender. And I will just take it to the top. I'm gonna move my mirror a little bit higher because I can't see. I've been using glasses since I was like 5 years old. I've gone through probably like 30 pairs. I kid you not. I've lost over 50% of the glasses that I own. I threw them in elementary. I would throw them away in the trash can accidentally because we would have our lunch and they'd give us those little like brown trays and you put your food inside. I'd put my glasses in there and then I'd just dump it away, and then there went a pair of glasses. And funny story, when they did this, when I found out I couldn't see that well or I needed glasses when we were in elementary, and they did like that test that they do every year. And I remember that they asked me to read what was on the paper. And keep in mind, these were all letters. So it was like E's this way, that way, or whatever it was. I said that it was a chicken in a cup. They were like, what is this? And I was like, that's a chicken in a cup. Either they were like, this girl's crazy, or she's like really blind, she can't see. And they were like, are you sure? And I was like, yeah, that's chicken in a cup. I was like, why? I'm gonna just get my Laura Mercier setting powder, just the excess. Do it all fancy. Just kidding. So then I'll just apply it here on my nose, on my forehead, upper lip, chin. And then this is a brush that I got off Amazon. Literally, it was like $7. I like the fact that it has this little side because I go in here, and so that I don't bake underneath my eyes and make my eyes look super dry, I will just put this here, just like that, just so that I can prevent some creasing, just like that. And I'll do the same thing on the other side, just the smallest product. I'm gonna go in, can't remember what's next, like how. I'm just gonna do my contour, my blush, and I'm gonna do cream. So I've really been liking the whole cream like vibe. And I mean, I've already done like set my face with powder, so I know you guys are probably like, oh my gosh. So this is just a Sephora collection creaseless concealer, and I'm just gonna do a couple drops. So like 1, 2, 3, just like that. So then I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, just like that. And then I'm gonna pick up a brush and I'm just gonna go to like this. Do you guys see that? It blends like a dream. It blends super easy, and it's really pretty. Like it looks, and it's a cream, so don't be afraid to use cream products after you've set your face with powder. And then I'm also going to be using a cream blush, and for blush I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Cheek Heat. So I'm just going to get it, I'm going to apply it on my cheekbones and the apples on my cheeks. I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and just distribute. Blend in. Everything's about blending in. And I like using a sponge. It's easy to apply and it absorbs product, so it doesn't make me look cakey. That blends it out very nicely. It's like very natural, very pretty. I like to put some on my nose. I like putting some on my nose, on my chin, and my forehead. And I like taking it in here too. And then my nose is itchy, so I'm just gonna go with a brush. Alrighty then, so we've already done this, and now the next thing are our eyes. I really like the way that looks. That looks really nice, very pretty. Alrighty then, so next thing we're gonna do our eyes, and I have a couple palettes here, but honestly, I'm gonna go in with this Dior one. I'm literally just gonna use this one shade. That shade, that's all I'm gonna use. It's called the Matte Ochre, and I'm just gonna get a fluffy brush. Oops. I'm gonna get it like this, tap it, and I'm just gonna go right over here. So where my crease is, so if I look up, my crease is right over here. I'm just gonna go right there. Just like that. Just like so. So I've always been like a homebody. I literally stay home all the time. So this quarantine didn't feel like a major difference. I was just like, I get to be in pages the whole day. I get to eat whatever I want. But actually I didn't. I actually was like, I'm gonna eat healthy, because I bought a dress online and it fit me, but it fit me a little snug, and I was just like, no, I don't want to return it. So then my sister and I, we set ourselves like on this health journey. So I've probably lost maybe like 5-6 pounds. Not a lot, but the dress closed and it went shoo. It glided on like a dream, and I was like, yes. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. This is my bad eye. This is the eye I can't see from. So I'm gonna like go in here. So I'm sorry you just see my forehead. Okay, so I'm gonna go like this, like so. And I'm gonna take it a little bit up to like the brow bone, but not completely hitting it. So as you can see, just blending motions back and forth. So pretty. This is from M Cosmetics. I remember I got this when I was subscribed to Ipsy. Look at that. I'm not sure if the camera picks it up, but that is so pretty. It's such a nice, pretty shimmer. And when I do a look like this, I just go in on the lid just to give it a little bit of extraness. I use my fingers, so it's super easy. Next step is going to be eyebrows. And for my eyebrows, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo. I'm going to fluff up my brows like that. And for this one, I'm really going to have to grab my mirror, you guys, because remember, I can't see. You guys are going to be shocked. I have my Mario Badescu spray, and I also have Jabon Sote. So I'm just going to spray that. If you're Mexican, you have this. Like, you don't need a brow gel, just use this. You don't need a brow gel. Like, literally toss them all away. You just need this. So I'm just gonna comb them up, fluff them up. I gave myself a brow lamination. My gosh, I was scared because my brows were just like glued to my forehead, and I was like, is this normal? Is this gonna go away? Because even to the touch, they felt so rough. And I was like, oh my gosh, I must have glue stuck there. But I don't know if I did, but they finally went away and they're back to normal. So that makes me a little happy. So I sprayed a little bit of that Mario spray on it. And now I'm gonna just start with the bottom. just like that. And I'm gonna very soft strokes because you don't want to get a little carried away. Very soft strokes. Okay, and then go back here. Okay. And I'm gonna get my brush and just make sure I blend that in like that. And that is literally how I do my brows. So compare from this to this. Brows make a difference in your face. So if you think like it's too hard, learn how to do your brows because they make a difference on your face. Believe me, I hate doing my brows. Like this is the one step that I've seen people like just carve them out so beautifully, and I'm just like, it's the worst thing ever. It's like, I hate doing my brows. So same thing, I'm gonna go on this side. Soft strokes. This is my bad brow. This is the brow that needs like a lot of help. This is the one that needs prayer. The other one's like disciplined. It knows what I want. It does it without it being asked for. But this one's like the rebellious one, and this one needs prayer. This one's the one that's like, So we gotta tame it. So just like that, very soft strokes. Soft strokes is the key to this. And blend. Blend with your spoolie, I mean. Okay, I'm gonna get a little bit more and do that little line trick where I just put it at the bottom and then blow it out. Just like that. And then I'm gonna get it and just, ooh. Yes. And eyebrows are supposed to be cousins, not twin sisters. Remember that. Because for me, like one eye is higher than the other. I don't know which one it is. One of them. Like whenever I take pictures, you know when iPhone flips them for you, you're just like, how dare you show me that angle of myself? But you know, like either one eye is like over here, or one eye is more separated than the other, and you're just like, my God, is this how I look like? I always question myself. Disposable spoolie. I'm gonna give this a couple spritz, just like that, and I'm gonna rub it just like that. So I got it. Now I'm gonna use whatever's on here, and I'm just gonna comb through my lashes like if this was the glue. I mean, through my lashes, through my eyebrows, just like that. Just like that. Just remember, I want to get that like fluffy brow kind of look. And that's it. They become a little stiff too, so I'm not gonna lie, but beats the alternate. For lips, I'm gonna go with this Dior lacquer stick in 620 Poisonous. It's such a it's a brown, but it's complementary to my skin tone and to my lips. My lips have a darker pigmentation on the outside, and I'm like, I gotta embrace it, you know? So I use this. I already have like a lip balm underneath. Beautiful. I love this so much. I lost it, and this is the second one that I bought. They're expensive. They're like $35. Then I'm gonna go in with my gloss topper because I love glossy lip. I just like anything that looks shiny. So then I'm gonna go in with it's called the Sephora Collection Lip Maximizer, and this is in the shade Outrageous 02. Comes like this. You'll get like a little tingling sensation in a bit. For my contour and my blush, I'm gonna want it to stand a little bit more. I'm going with my CEO Lily Lashes and Sephora collection, and I'm gonna go here on my forehead, both sides. Grab a little more dust. And then I'm gonna go under here because we gotta hide the fact that we've been eating everything in sight. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in and get this shade over here. And then I'm just gonna go like this. I don't need a lot. I don't know. It's maña. Yes, maña. Like, I don't need it. I just do it. And then last step is going to be my setting spray. You guys, for skincare, I prefer fragrance-free because it irritates the skin. But when it comes to makeup, I will bend the rules. That is, well, except for the Huda foundation, that reeks of perfume. It's like you're putting perfume on your face. I tried it and I was like, what? Why? Like, how? It is, honestly, I tried it. I didn't like it. It was a little too heavy for me. And the smell was like, I have my perfume collection. Like, honestly, I'll take a picture one day and show it. On my Instagram, I posted a couple of my favorites, so follow me on Instagram. Okay, just kidding. But yeah, so I tried it and I was like, nope. But this is the Glam Glow Glow Setter. Oh, it smells so good. And the mist is just, look at that mist. Wait, I can't waste it. Go on me. Okay, so I will just spray it. It smells so, so good. Come on, you guys. Do we not look put together? I forgot lashes. That's what I forgot. So we're gonna go back to putting this clip on. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what my lashes look like. So they're like this. I had a lash lift, so I gave myself a lash lift, and my eyelashes look so nice and pretty, which is why some are straight out and then some are really curly. I've been using a product by Grande Lash that makes my lashes grow to the moon. So with my lash lift, my lashes were like fully curled, like just. I wish I could show you guys pictures. I never took pictures. But yeah, I'm just gonna go put these on really quick and then I'll be right back. Alrighty then, so I'm back with my lashes on, and then I don't really like when you can tell like the little that you have like a hole basically, or not a hole, but you can see like where your lashes were. So I'm just gonna grab a black pencil. This is gonna be the Charlotte Tilbury Rock and Coal Iconic Liquid Eye Pencil. I don't even know why it's liquid. A pencil. Anyway, I'm just gonna get it like this. Perfect. Same thing on the other side. Perfect. I'm just gonna let my hair air dry because I'm very lazy and I don't like to do my hair. Which is why when I had really long hair, it was so easy to get it in every bun. Even you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is the completed look. I hope that it was very easy and like it had a very simple breakdown. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe. If you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up. I will see you guys till next time. Bye.